matter what my wife do today, I can't submarine her. And I can't separate with her. I can never, even if he likes, let her choose a gun to shoot me. As long as I'm alive, she's my wife. That's it. That's me. I can tell you that. As long as I'm alive, I won't marry, I won't have anything. She is my wife. That is sealed. Finish.
No matter what she does.
No. Whatever she like, let her do. Because what is she going to do that will offend me? What? Maybe have an affair? It's our business. It's not to me. They will say two of us. They will say Peter Obi is a very good man who married a woman who is... That's it. Nobody can describe me. You can't quantify me with the life of my wife or my children. No. We have different lifestyle. You know, even if I'm traveling with my wife, people have seen it. People have seen my wife in business class. They've seen her in first class. I'm in different class. And we're in the same plane. Because that's what suits her. We don't quarrel with it. It suits him and it doesn't conflict my interest. If I travel with her, people will see it. She's in business class. I'm in economy. It doesn't. No, it doesn't. It suits her. We're not quarreling with
As you dey hustle and pray to God, oh my brother, because now only him go fit go see everybody. Anywhere you gonna Peter Obi, Obi for president. All over Nigeria, Peter Obi, Obi for president. From east to south, na Peter Obi, Obi for president. Even the north and west, na Peter Obi, Obi for president. All over Nigeria, na Peter Obi, Obi for president. Mama, papa, they shot Peter Obi, Obi for president. Brothers and sisters, they want Peter Obi, Obi for president. Waiting be the name of Peter Obi, call him again, Obi tererente, Obi tererente, Obi tererente, Nigeria don't suffer, no be small. We don't suffer, no be small. Other countries they grow, we just say fall. We don't suffer because we get the leaders, then we're there on top. We don't suffer. They're not here because all their families there abroad. We don't suffer. But every 4 years them go come with one stone.
Who controls both the rich and the poor? When he moves, there's an exodus. When he speaks, there's a revelation. And when he decides to act, there will be tsunami. Loved by Nigerians from all walks of life. Full-time governor of Anambra State. The leader of the Obi movement. Known simply as Peter Obi.
His Excellency, my wife, Organic Jew, was one of the beneficiaries of his 1 million naira scholarship for first class graduates in Unity. That was sometime in 2011. We are grateful to His Excellency.
Thank you.
And we love you of the good work. Thank you very much.
May your best be loved.
If I wear this, I'm wearing it out of, this is where we want to go. We want to have improvement. We are a country of about 213 million. Indonesia is about 280 million. They have about 4,000 universities. We have less than 200 universities, less than 5%. I can go on and on. I traveled to Indonesia with 2 of my colleagues who are Muslims.
Your life, you should come back to that state again. Are you dampened by that threat?
Well, you know, I've always insisted we should stop talking about politics and talking about stress and waste of time. What I want us to always be talking about, how do we build a better future for our society? Our society is not going to work by threatening people. Our society is going to work by investing in people. I went to Benin to invest in a better life of the people of the state. Because if they have good nurses, good doctors, they will live a better life. It's a measurable distance. What the governor should have done to complement what I'm doing in his state, he should actually be sincerely grateful that I'm working with him.
Okay, you have your...
A day with Mr. Peter Obi in Benin City.
Similar, stepping on the place up. She worldwide, sugar boy, yeah. From around the boat, make them just do, make them raise the roof, make them just do, make them know the code. I know my name was you, make the girls them dance you.
Presenting this check of $15 million.
We're making noise. Hola, hola, I hear me bow. Hola, 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 Selecta. Remember, only no go on you now. Only go use me back on. Only no go on you now. I say no use me back on. Back to money in the Ghana must go.
Thank you so much for all you do for our state. Well done, sir.
My father.
Yeah, well done, sir. Yes, sir.
Let them say rock for them, sugar boy, give them.
I've never claimed to be a poor man. I've never said it anywhere. I've always said I'm a comfortable man anywhere on the surface of the globe. You know, because they said if you have $1 million, you're a millionaire. So I have that. So I'm a millionaire anywhere in the world. What we are going to do, I am the Vice President, Tatiba Mohamed, is to ensure that we will bring a government that is governed within the confines of what is needed, putting character and competency one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday
Airport. I couldn't believe it and took me straight to him. Now the president will ask me not to come back here again. So it's failed. Let's talk about how we are going to rebuild it. It's collapsing.
I am in PDP, but I have never admired a politician like I admire Peter Obi. I have never followed somebody in the last few weeks like I'm following Peter Obi. No one has excited me like Peter Obi has been exciting me. Listening to him, his responses to very, very provocative issues, his gift of the economy, his landing on all issues. Listen to me, whether we like it or not, Peter Obi has come to stay. Peter Obi is truly a gift to this country.
Honestly, many Nigerians love Obi, even those who are in power today. In fact, I believe that even Tinubu himself knows that Obi is far better than him and his entire cabinet. And I also believe he desires to have the type of natural support Obi enjoys from Nigerians. All those openly speaking against Obi today sincerely love him and know he is the best for our country. But for obvious reason of stomach infrastructure, they're doing what they're doing today. A typical example is Reno. Anyone seeing Reno today wouldn't believe he said something like this just some few years back. Just listen.
You know, I just want to tell you, I'm with my friend here, Governor Peter Obi. This man raised the bar of leadership in Nigeria. He raised the bar of leadership in Nigeria. Since he left office, can you believe that this man does not take anything, not even like a penny from the Anambra State government? And while he was there, you know, he was a man that built up Anambra State. You know, Anambra State used to be almost educationally disadvantaged. And then in less than 2 years, he brought them to be #1. He left that state with a reserve.
Who controls both the rich and the poor. When he moves, there's an exodus. When he speaks, there's a revelation. And when he decides to act, there will be tsunami. Loved by Nigerians from all walks of life. Full-time governor of Anambra State. The leader of the Obi movement. Known simply as Peter Obi.
As you dey hustle and pray to God, oh my brother, because now only Him go fit